Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodoka. I'm Ryusei. Today I introduce how to make a spring one motor. In Japanese 24 seasons, now is Rishun and written by like this. And this menu of one mono is called Uguisuwan. The feature of it is this beautiful green color. This color reminds us of spring plants. However, uguisu means a popular spring bird, Japanese bush warbler. I hope you will enjoy the beginning of Japanese spring. Yes, let's make it. First, I'll make shrimp balls ebi shinjo. The main ingredient is shrimp, and yamatoimo is an also important ingredient. Shinjo is written by like this. This kanji means minced fish, and it means yam. This yamatoimo is made in Kuma Prefecture. At first, I peel off the skin and grate it with suribachi. Suribachi helps us to make it into smooth and sticky. The grated yam acts as a holding of the ingredients, and the finish of ebi shinjo will be soft and fluffy. Okay, this is 15 grams. Next, shrimp. Shrimp is called ebi in Japanese. I peel off the skin Okay. Then I cut the backside and remove the D-vein. It is an important work to make a beautiful color of ebi shinjo. Nice. Then I add the sake and wash them well. Good. I transfer them on the kitchen paper and remove the water. Then I chop them finely. I use a deba knife. Once the shrimp is chopped to some extent, I set this part aside to remain the shrimp texture. Nice. I chop them more. I hold the tip of the knife left hand and move the right hand mainly. Okay, I transfer them to suribachi. Good. I'll prepare a half of the egg white. Egg white makes the finish fluffy and soft as well. If you like fluffy and soft texture, you can add whole white egg. Then I add a pinch of salt. Salt makes the shrimp sticky, that's why I add it in advance. I rub them until the shrimp becomes sticky. You can do it with a food processor as well. And if you'd like to buy suribachi, I recommend a little bit big size, because it's difficult to mix the ingredients well in a small suribachi. Then I add 10 grams of sake, 10 grams of mirin, and 5 grams of soy sauce. I mix them well. Once the ingredients are mixed, I add the egg white and mix them. The tip is adding the seasonings and egg white separately. If we add them at the same time, the shrimp becomes separation. And grated yam. If we make softer texture of ebi shinjo, we add 10 to 20 grams of dashi. The patties become sticky. Great. Finally, I add minced shrimp and mix them with a spatula. This shrimp creates a different texture. Okay, the shrimp patties are done. And then I make them into portions. I place a plastic wrap on a plate and add the shrimp patties on it. Okay, I wrap it. There is one thing to note. That is not twisting the plastic wrap. I just close the mouth like this. Then I fasten with a rubber band. I wrap the rubber band around 4 times. And fasten it. Okay, I've made 4 portions. Let's steam them. The steamer is boiling. I open the lid. And add the shrimp balls in the steamer. Please take care of burning. I cover it with a lid and steam them for 12 minutes over medium heat. 12 minutes later, I open the lid. The color turns nice pink color. I check whether they are cooked or not. If it's elastic, ebi shinjo is cooked. If it's soft, it is not cooked. Okay, I remove them and let them cool. Next, I'll prepare green pears. Green pears are called endomame in Japanese. And it is made in Kagoshima Prefecture. The climate is warm because of warm current, so we can get this spring ingredient earlier. I'm so happy. Thank you very much. I remove the beans from the pot. I open the pot from the round side. The beans are so beautiful. Very high quality. These are 5 grams of salt and 1 gram of baking soda. I mix them to distribute them to green pears evenly. The baking soda makes the beans soft. Okay, then add them to endomame and mix and distribute them to the beans. Nice. I let it stand for 10 minutes at room temperature. Meanwhile, I'll introduce the decoration of daikon. I cut it into half and cut it into a triangle. I peel the skin and cut it into a flower petal shape. Like this. I cut it smoothly and make the surface beautiful. Nice. Then I make a V-shaped cut. Great. And cut it thinly. I move the knife to left down. Okay, this shape is sakura petals. 10 minutes later, water comes out from the beans. The beans are ready for boiling. Before boiling the beans, I boil the daikon. It's cooked very shortly. 1 minute later, I remove them from the pot. Okay. Then I add the endomame to the boiling water. I boil them for 10 minutes over low heat. The low heat is very important to keep the beautiful green color of the beans. 10 minutes later, I'll eat it to check it cooked or not. Okay, I turn off the heat. And I add the water to cool the beans gradually. Also, I'll make them into paste. This way helps to prevent the surface of the beans from becoming wrinkled. Once the beans are well chilled, I drain a sieve. Beautiful. Then I add the beans in a food processor. I make them into paste. I add about 30 grams of dashi and paste them. Okay, then I strain the paste in a fine sieve. I strain it with a wooden spatula. This work makes suji very smooth. I unfasten it. Beautiful. Okay, the bean paste is done. I remove ebi shinjo from the plastic wrap. Okay, I reheat it in the steamer. Then I heat dashi and reheat the daikon in the dashi. I warm it. Once the daikon is warm, I remove them. Okay, I season it with salt and light soy sauce. I taste it. A little bit thin. I add soy sauce and salt again. Then I add the bean paste into the dashi. The tip is adding the paste just before serving. It helps to make suji more beautiful. And seasoning suji a bit thicker is also important because I add green bean paste. It is important to heat the paste for a short time to keep nice green color. Then I add potato starch to thicken the soup. Nice. Let's arrange it on a soup bowl. First, I place ebi shinjo on the bowl and pour suji. Nice. Finally, I decorate daikon. Ebi shinjo no uguisu is done. Beautiful green soup and pink ebi shinjo are so beautiful. Let's eat it. The smell of edamame is refreshing, and the taste of suji is gentle sweetness. Ebi shinjo, the texture is pleasant and elastic of the shrimp, and the flavor is sensitive. So we can enjoy the harmony of green peas and shrimp. It was so delicious. ごちそうさまでした。Thank you. Did you enjoy? This soup is really beautiful and delicious. And I hope you felt the Japanese spring from this video. And I wish you will enjoy ebi shinjo no uguisuwan. Thank you for watching to this end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.